Elevate your Webflow website's visual appeal and user experience by masterfully setting up a stunning Lightbox gallery, the secret to showcasing your images in breathtaking, interactive detail. First, let's dive into the Webflow designer. We'll start by adding a div block to our page. This div will act as a container for our gallery. Think of it as the frame that holds all our beautiful images. Select this container div, and in the Element Settings panel on the right, give it a clear class name, something like Galary Container. This makes it easy to manage and style later. Now, let's add our first image. Drag an image element directly into the Galary container. This is where your visual content begins to take shape. Upload your desired image. For now, we'll use a placeholder, but this is where you'll bring your own stunning visuals to life. To build our gallery, simply duplicate this image element as many times as you need for your collection. Select the image, press CMD or Ctrl-D to duplicate it, and repeat until you have a row of images. Here's the magic for the Lightbox effect. Select one of your image elements now. We need to wrap it in a link block. You can find the link block element on the left sidebar and drag it to encompass the image. With the link block selected, go to the Element Settings panel and change the link type from None to Lightbox. This is the crucial step that enables the elegant overlay functionality. Importantly, within the link block settings, you'll see an option to select the Lightbox image. Make sure this is set to the image element you just placed inside. Now repeat this link block, wrapping, and Lightbox linking process for each image in your gallery. This ensures every image will open in its own elegant Lightbox overlay. To arrange your images neatly, select your Galary container, div, and use Webflow's layout tools like Flexbox or Grid. To create a visually appealing arrangement, you can set the number of columns and spacing to your preference. Finally, visit the Element Settings for the Lightbox itself. Here, you can customize the appearance of the overlay, including background color, opacity, and even navigation arrows for a truly professional finish. And there you have it, a stunning, interactive Lightbox gallery ready to impress your website visitors, all built within Webflow without a single line of code.